This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today I'm working on our Bosch dishwasher that has a code here of E22 Watertap. Add rinse aid. Well, the rinse aid thing I think I can fix. That's just adding rinse aid, and I need to buy some. But this Watertap thing is new, and I'm going to try to resolve it by cleaning out the trap. The code indicates that it could be a problem with the water not draining, if there's still water left in the pump. So hopefully this is something we can fix. So this machine is the Super Silence Plus 39 dBA Bosch dishwasher, and we've had it for, I don't know, a year or so, and I really love it. Here's the inside, and I'm gonna pull out these racks. So this top rack here, actually there's another rack right up there, see it? But I don't need to remove that one. I'm gonna take this one here and pull it out. When it's all the way extended, we then lift and wiggle and it comes off. Let's try doing this with one hand. Ta-da, that one's off. Next one here, this one obviously just pulls out. Set that aside. Now here we have the inside of the machine, and this part right here you can turn and lift. Probably done this before, and all this crud needs to be cleaned off. And this is my other part right here. There's the water that's sitting, so that looks pretty gross too. So I'm going to clean that. Let's take a peek inside here. What do we have in there? I don't know what might be in there that's blocking it, but I'm gonna take a feel around or look around and see if I can find something. All right, let me start cleaning up these other pieces. Well, I'm filling up an old bucket with some hot water, and I'm gonna add some soap. Here is the one piece here. I'm gonna stick that in there, add a bunch of soap to it. This is just some, it's probably Dawn or Ajax or something like that I threw into a bottle. And I'm going to swirl it around a little bit. See if we can get some of this grease. There's a lot of crud just blocking it right in there, both sides. I had this last load that I washed, I actually had a grater that I used. I grated mozzarella cheese, so I'm thinking maybe the mozzarella got in here and messed things up. You could try a bottle cleaner or a scrub brush, either one of these. I'm going to start with a bottle cleaner because I don't need it for much other stuff. Just see if I can hold it in front of me so that it's not squirting back at me. Zip. It's looking much better. Do the front. Looks like I might do better with the scrubber. You can see that. And I have some secret weapons that I'll show you in a minute. I'll get the water. And that's looking a lot better. More hot. I think that's an improvement right there. I still see some crud. And here's one of my little tricks. I like to use something like a stain remover. This is Great Valley Stain Remover. It must have some kind of emulsifier in it. It's good for cutting grease, and I don't know, it works really well. I make soap, and I get a lot of fats on stuff, and it seems to cut. Of course, you want to rinse it really well, but it works really well for getting a lot of grease. It's looking a lot better. right, that's the one part. All right, next part is this piece right here. And it's got a lot of crud underneath it that I'm going to clean off. Water, soap. Grab the, stand it up like that. I'm going to take my bottle brush thing and throw some soap on it and shove it into here. That's looking good. And we want to do the top of this. I can see some, what looks like some of that mozzarella pour through. Other built up sponge. That is feeling so much better. Wow. Doesn't have to be perfect. Get it off and move on. I think that is going to work. So we have these two pieces that fit together like this. And let's reassemble. This is the inside, and I'm going to put this piece back in. It looks like either way can go back in either way. I didn't actually put one in here. I really don't want to. I think that might be okay, but I'm going to put this back and try it. I don't have to fiddle with it. I don't see anything. Sometimes I've seen other weird things in there, a piece of glass or plastic or something. This is going to go right on top of that. Put it down so it seats and then turn clockwise until the arrows line up. And I'm going to do a quick test rinse or something on this. Let's put that. I'm not even reassembling everything. So gonna turn it off, on, and we'll put it on. How about just a rinse? Let's see if we got a rinse right there for 9 minutes, and hit the start button. Here we go. Close it. The light should go on down at the bottom. Don't mind the dirty floor, and we'll be back in a little bit after it's done. It just beeped. It's the moment of truth. Will it be fixed? Ta-da! It says Advance Aid and clean. So there you have it. Let's see what's inside here. I'm gonna put it back together. Twist this clockwise. There's a piece of crud right there. Lift this up. There's the water down there. I think that might be normal. Set that back in. Put this back on top, and I will let you know if I get more warnings. Let's see if we can put the other pieces back in single-handedly. Here is the rack for the bottom. I'm putting these rails right here, these wheels, one to the back ledge right there. Slide it in. Grab the next one. This top rack has two wheels on the side here and another wheel here. So these have to go onto the two wheels that I showed you go between these. One goes above, one goes below, I believe. Stick that one on. should pull this side out. It's hard to do one-handed. All right, now that side's out. Like so. Slide it in. Lift, push, and it goes in, pulls out, doesn't fall off. Push in. All right, and we are back in business, and I'm gonna continue cleaning my kitchen and putting my dishes in, and I'm happy to have that cleaned up and cleared out. So thank you for watching. If you have a few minutes to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.